Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson is a very easy open chord of A add 9. A add 9, it's up on the 6th fret. Beautiful chord, substitute for A. So let's get started. Okay, this is the sound of the A add 9, a good substitute for the chord of A, just a different location on the 6th fret. To play the A add 9, it takes on the E shape chord, as you can see. Just slide up to the 6th fret, and play all strings but the top string. Okay, your first finger goes on string number 3 of the 6th fret, and then finger number 2 goes on the 7th fret of the 5th string, and then finger number 3 goes on string number 4, also on the 7th fret. Strum all strings but the very top string. That's A add 9. Again, it's a substitute for playing the chord of A. Okay, to review, finger number 1 goes on string number 3 of the 6th fret. Finger number 2 goes on the 5th string of the 7th fret. Finger number 3 goes on the 7th fret of the 4th string. Play all strings but the very top E string. Be sure and let those bottom 2 E and B strings ring out. It's open A add 9. Okay, if you enjoyed this lesson, you'd like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button below. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my lesson. It's free, there's no obligation, it just bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions, so this channel can easily be found. And also you'll be notified when new video lessons have been uploaded. So appreciate you joining me today, and I appreciate my current subscribers. Have a great day. God bless you.